Are you ready to get completely motivated and embark on an endless journey of passion and compassion in your teacher journey? Then this video is for you. Hello everybody, my name is Anne, and over the past 10 years I've been teaching worldwide over, I don't even know how many classes, something of 6,000 or 7,000. Found myself with many teachers feeling burned out, feeling stressed, and feeling uninspired. That was my motivation to share this video with you and share 3 simple tools that can help you to continuously deepen your relationship with yourself, with your teaching, and with your students. First and foremost, keep cultivating a mindset of a beginner. Keep looking to every position and every person as if you don't know anything about them and you're ready to learn and explore. So instead of filling in with your judgment and with your mind, try to cultivate an open mind and be fully present in what you are doing and a willingness to learn from everyone and everything. So curiosity first, that's 1. Then number 2 is essentially a sense of humor. Over the years, I have learned to laugh so much with myself. So much that, yes, there's always someone laughing at the jokes, me. But essentially it helps to keep it light and to not take ourselves too seriously. Often we find that in the role of a teacher, you have to be so serious or something, but actually bringing some lightness, not laughing at yourself, but ability to laugh with yourself, like a friend, and just the things that we say a word differently, you do something different than your mind thinks it has to be. Just leave a little space for an occasional laugh and just give your students the space as well to explore and to play and to just let it all unfold. The most important thing is that we show up and not every day is the same. So curiosity, a sense of humor, and third and foremost, continuously cultivate a connection to your yoga. And yoga doesn't mean that you have to step on your mat every day, but cultivate a relationship with joy, with enjoyment, with moving your body lovingly, with putting yourself in new situations and new activities once in a while. So to not get stuck in doing the same all the time, but trying something different, try a different flow or a different activity, move with the breath and continuously explore. So continuously to open up yourself to cultivate a relationship with your yoga and understand that the yoga doesn't always have to be on the mat. It can be so many different things. Most important is that there's a sense of awareness on what you're doing and a willingness to connect, because that's what yoga truly is. It's a practice of connection. It's not about perfection, but embracing the process and embarking on a journey that's forever learning and forever expanding if we dare to sing from our mind into our heart and cultivate a light approach to all what we do and mostly all that we are, because we're beautiful the way we are, and I'm excited to keep learning and growing with all of you. So let me know, how do you cultivate your curiosity? Do you laugh with yourself? And what is yoga for you? And how do you bring it into your everyday life? Let's share the yoga vibes. Thank you so much.